Hey everybody, it's Taylor with the Vacationeer, and today we're heading to the brand new Disney Adventure World in Paris to experience the magic of Frozen Ever After. I'm gonna let the ride speak for itself, so sit back, hold on tight, and enjoy the POV.
Elsa wants to give us all some fun. She's making everyone a snowy summer day.
Nous allons donner de tristesse. Tous ensemble, on se retrouve là.
Une journée comme celle-ci qu'Anna a sauvé sa sœur par un geste d'amour sincère qui a dégelé un cœur de glace.
Oh, and now they're best friends.
Tout à fait.
Thank you so much for riding along with us, and if you're ready to visit Arendelle in person, be sure to reach out to your Vacationeer advisor or click the booking link right down below. And if you love this look at the new land, we've got a ton of content coming your way from Disney Adventure World. So make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with all your Disney friends.